let's say it's oh god, this is loud. Okay, we have somebody watching. Yay, people watching. Okay, and then we should be able to start recording at the same time. Great. Okay, so now people, if they want to, can be watching this live. So, for everybody who's in the live stream now, we have just made a cube and a sort of circle to show how large we can make this. And we're going to be starting to build a chassis. So, let's see, not 3D plane, please. We want to go to our SolidWorks library, and then structure, channel, and 35 long. Perfect. So then we can rotate this. That's not the axis I wanted to rotate it on. Good job, me. And I guess that works like that. Okay. So then what we can do is actually, move that to the right position after we make it movable. There we go. Just like so. And now we can make this. Okay, no, okay. Make this here. Make sure that's concentric, because for some reason it likes to do consonants sometimes, which does not work. Okay, and then we can copy and paste that, and then, ooh, that's not what I wanted. Do something like this. So that's something like this. Perfect. And then we want to make sure that this stays parallel, so it can't really turn around a lot. So we're going to make another constraint there. Perfect. So what we're going to do is get some wheels. So what would that be? Wheels. I wonder why it's in there. Alright, and I think I have one, yes, with inserts already in. Perfect. And we can place it in. And we also want to get a shaft. So we can go to hardware, shafts, choose. This isn't very good commentary. I'm not really sure how to be good at commentary, to be honest. But that's what we have for now. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to just build the sort of assembly for a wheel, 2 bearings, and a motor. And then we're going to copy and paste it a couple times across here. So that way it's a lot easier to do. Which will be nice, so I don't have to CAD the exact same thing 3 times. So, it goes into there. And this face goes to here. There we go. So, I'm thinking that we're going to be definitely doing a 6-motor drive, because there's not really much that we're going to be using for motors, because a double reverse 4-bar has a lot of weight to it, so it needs a lot of power to move it up and down to overcome like momentum and such. But since we're going to be using just a 4-bar and then a chain bar, it's going to be requiring a lot less power. So I'm thinking we're just going to be using 2 motors on the lift and 2 motors on the chain bar, and then 6 motors on the drive, which should work pretty well. So let's get a motor. Actually, let's actually get some, where would that be? I think it's in this, no, not structure. Hardware, we need some bearings. So we want 2 bearing flats. So, yeah, that didn't work. Oh well. That's fine. So we will just make that to this guy, there, and that's in the wrong area, so we'll do it like that. Perfect. And then copy that. And then we can mate it onto there. derpy. Okay. There. Ah, there we go. And now we have 2 bearings, which are in the right place, and we can. Let's get a motor. Because obviously we're going to have to power this somehow. And then we can rotate it. I don't know how to because I'm not good with this program yet. Okay, there we go. Okay. And that is over there for some reason. Ooh, okay. Move the motor. Move the motor. There we go. And now we can just not that. Let's see, what can we make? I'm thinking possibly this. Yeah, that's round. That'll work. And concentric. Perfect. And then we can let's temporarily fix this so we can rotate these into the proper orientation, and then we can make it floated again. Perfect. And then we can do this. So, just so you guys know, I am not going to be modeling any screws into this because they really don't add much to the drawing and they just cause a lot of lag. And here's the 3D print is just finished. Oh god, it's hard to watch, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm not good at this. I'm just trying, so I don't know. Let's see. Let's get a sprocket. Yes, there we go. I don't know why I wasn't thinking there. Okay. And then we can place that in. So, we're having a sprocket here because we want to have all 3 of the wheels connected together so that way the power gets transferred in between them. So like if only one of them is being sort of stalled, then it'll actually draw power from all 3 of them instead of just one motor and cause that one to burn out. So it's pretty obvious stuff, but some few people might know that. So let's get some spacers. Hardware, bearings, not bearings, it's not what I wanted. This guy. We actually might need a larger spacer than that, I think. I got expert certified last week. Try to make your sketch mates connected to a sketch. Yes, they are actually connected to a sketch right now. Well, they will be. Right now I'm just making this sort of floating around so that way I can copy and paste it 3 times, so I don't have to build it 3 times, which is nice. Perfect. And then got that face. This. Oh yeah, so there's a stream going on right now, so there might be some confusion about who I'm talking to. Okay, like that. So I think that's good, and then what we'll do is that we will copy this, and then, oh, I can't copy all these, okay. Can you copy it? No? Yes? Why? Why you do? Okay. Didn't copy the wheel for some reason. This looks like Crayola CAD. No, it's SolidWorks. Let's see. Yeah, it's really strange. It didn't copy the wheel. Okay. That's fine. Oh, what the? Okay, that didn't work like I wanted it to. Okay. So, let's see. Can we copy it, please? Let's copy the wheel. Huh, just won't copy it. That's strange. Okay, well, why are they doing that? Can you paste it near that? No, where the hell did it go? Why is it so far away? Okay, Hey, that worked. Okay. So now we'll constrain this motor assembly with the wheel to our drive base that we have so far. Like so. I'm going to try not to respond to chat because it's going to confuse a lot of people if they're watching the actual Build-A-Bot video because they weren't here for the live stream anyway. There we go. And then we'll just make sure this bearing can't rotate by doing that. And then the same for this other bearing. Like so. And it appears that is not centered for some reason. Oh, parallel. What the heck is going on here? Okay. Mates, did we accidentally do something wrong? Why are all these? Okay. So that's constant. Crap. Okay. Well, for some reason it doesn't want to stay centered. Oh, it undid all of them for some reason. Fantastic. So we'll just do this and make sure that's actually concentric, because that's what was going on. Good job. Anyway, just like so, making sure these bearings can't move around. Okay, not sure if I'll edit out a lot of this. I might. I'll just like, I don't know, say like I've done this bit now. Like I finished modeling this bit and I've now catted it onto here and now it's still constrained. I might cut out a lot of stuff like that, make it easier to watch since I don't really do commentary very well. Now that I'm thinking about it, I'm actually probably going to do that. So, fun. Oh, and those are stuck to each other. Okay. Yes. So we shall insert a spacer. Oh well, it's not updating for some reason. Yeah, perfect. Let's make sure this is still recording. It is. Because it stops recording sometimes, which is really annoying. Anyway. So I guess, yeah, since I'm going to be cutting out a lot of stuff, I guess I'll respond to chat. So, yeah, so pressing F, I'm not really sure what it's going to do. I'm guessing you're probably referring to something when I was doing something, and it's not really relevant now, but, yeah. So did I buy my license? Yes, I did. It wasn't too expensive, although I wish there was a way to get it, get SolidWorks like a student edition, but so you don't have to pay for it, but alas, it doesn't really exist. So, oh, I put that spacer on the wrong side. That's weird. A bit awkward as well. So, let's see if we can fix something like that. This bearing is concentric made here. We will just flip that around. There we go. Perfect. And then also that one there we will delete. There's actually people watching. I'm quite surprised. Anyway, let's see. Now we're just going to make this wheel actually in place. And we're going to need a larger spacer, or just another one, so let's insert something. How about this guy? Is that going to work? Probably will. Okay. Didn't place it for some reason. Or just place it really far away. supposed to be concentric there. Concentric. Okay. What happened there? Is that not concentric? Okay. That was odd. What the shit? What? Oh. Oh. Okay. Concentric. God damn, okay. Not sure why it defaults to something else. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna be cutting this out. I am not good at this. Just live commentary thing. So I'm going to save the people watching it in the future. Okay. That works. Oh yeah, and then we have to... No, not insert component. Bring to this guy. Onto here. Perfect. And then, ooh, that's a bit of a problem. Okay, we'll delete that. What's up? The sky? Gas prices? Sorry, it's terrible. Oh, it appears the live stream died. That's fantastic. Fan-fucking-tastic. Okay, so, yeah. Perfect. Okay, so let's make sure this is still recording, which it is. Great. And now we just have to... I'm just gonna delete this. No. There we go. And then we can copy and paste what we already have, which is placed here, just so we don't have to remodel it. Oh, that shaft is doing a weird. That's strange. Okay. Yeah. For some reason, it didn't want to copy the wheel last time. Yeah, it doesn't want to copy the wheel. Huh. Very odd. Alright. Ooh, it pasted it over there. Okay. Yes, save document. We'll save this as... Okay. Great. Hey, we actually have people watching, which is fantastic. Okay. Yay. So let's copy this again. For some reason I have to do this, which doesn't paste like 300 miles away. Great. And we shall just make these motors not to move around. Well, not move around, but not move around. This doesn't make sense, does it? We'll just constrain them to this now. And then this guy goes to here. And if we move this out of the way, this goes to here. Alright. And then we can just make these with each other. So... Alright, here's that did not save properly. Okay. We'll just make that with this. And this with this. Okay. So we'll fix that in this other one as well, unless that's already fixed. Nope, it's not. Okay. There we go. Perfect. And then this guy can still move around, right? Okay, we can. So we will this thing. Okay. So just so everybody knows who's watching the live stream, or maybe there's nobody actually watching it, but it says there's people watching it, because that happens for some reason. I'm going to be cutting out a lot of this, so that way you don't have to sit through my horrible commentary, which is not good at all, because I don't think you really want to hear me just rambling on, trying to explain what I'm doing. I'm not doing a very good job of it for however long this is going to take. So, yeah. And this goes to here. Concentric, please. There we go. Okay. For some reason the wheel didn't want to copy, so we're going to have to place in a wheel manually. That's fine. And where is the center? I remember there is not an exact center on here, so we're going to have to be a little bit off center. That's fine, so we'll just select there. There we go. And then we'll just make sure this can't wiggle around. Okay. And now we can just place in these wheels. So I actually don't have the high traction wheels in this library for some reason, which sucks, but there's not really much I can do about it, because I don't want to have to color stuff manually, because that's a pain, so I'm not going to do it. Okay. Let's see. Sky. Oh my god, that camera's screwed up right now. This to here. And just move that out of the way. This goes to yeah. And then this goes to yeah. There we go. There's another wheel in, and then we'll just put in another. This to here. And then this to yeah. Perfect. Okay. So, yeah. Okay, so this is actually going to be another recording section. Okay, so I finished the drive base. Well, this side, I've put in 3 sets of wheels. I don't actually have high traction wheels, so this middle one is going to be an Omni. That's fine though. So, wheel section like this. And then what we're going to do is mirror this to the other side, so that way we don't have to model the exact same thing again. So we'll just select everything. Just give it a minute to do that. Okay, and then we will find the mirror thing, which I believe is under linear component pattern. Only components in the top assembly. Okay, that's strange. And then we'll just select the correct plane, which is this one. There we go. And prepare for lag. There we go. So now we have 2 sets of wheels like this. Oh, this can't move. Why can't that move? Okay, it can move now. And what we're going to do is we're going to add some support bars across here. So it's really simple. We're just going to add 2 more of these guys. So if I just copy this, and it didn't copy for some reason, or paste. Why won't that work? Okay, it's not going to work. I have to find it. More stuff I'm going to cut out. Perfect. And then we just have one. There we go. And hopefully that placed it 3 miles away, but it didn't, which is fantastic. And this goes onto here. the other way. Ooh, that turned around weirdly. Okie dokie. Okay, that's strange. Got it. So what we'll do is mate this guy to, where should we do this? Here. Like that. And then this goes to here. And then what we're going to have to do is make it so this isn't inside itself and can't move around like this. So we'll select an appropriate distance and then the best distance we can. So that's too small because it's clipping inside of it, and this one's a little bit too wide, but it'll work. So we'll just strain it there. Perfect. And now we should be able to just drag this like so, and meet these together. Perfect. So, oops, daisies. Okay, now we have a just simple drivetrain with only one support bar, so we're just going to copy that and make a second one. Perfect. And it's just really simple. Nope, we don't want to set the entire thing. No, thank you. This goes to here. And then this goes to here. No. Like this. There we go. Okay. So we finished the drive face, and now let's work on making a lift. So let's see, let's check if this is still recording, which it is. Perfect. And the front is here, so we'll just make it on the back. So what we're going to do is have some supports on the side here, so that way we can have vertical bars for this. Yeah, that makes sense. Good job, me. Oh man, so good at describing stuff. Okay. Oh, we're gonna actually have to make this in further. So let's delete some of these constraints. Oh my god, there's so much stuff. Okay. Just like the last few things. I'll just undo. Okay. So, oh my god, stop freaking out, camera. What we're going to do is make it so... Ooh. Oh. Oh my. Okay. We went a little bit too far undoing. So we'll just redo this. There we go. And now we can just slide these past each other like this. Okay. So what we're gonna have to do is make it so there's enough space on the side here for a vertical bar. So that's probably just gonna be like two of these little things, and we'll actually make it 3 just for safety, so we have a little bit more room. And then we'll make them together like so. And we have a single bar here. So I don't really think we need to add a second bar. If I decide to, we will, but just like there's a second bar over here for more stability. Just imagine it's there. Not really, but imagine. Imagination. Okay. So what we'll do is get a small PCC channel, probably like 5 long. And then we'll get some standoffs. And standoffs at 5-inch. Oh god, I don't want a coupler. I want an actual standoff, which is somewhere. There we go. space. Okay. So then we'll just make these to each other and use them to attach this small VSC channel. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it. So that'll be here. And all we have to do is do like that. Perfect. And parallel. And now we can just do this. Oh, yay, there's more people watching. What's up? I'm going to be cutting out a lot of this, so you don't have to hear my terrible rambling and not really good commentary, but I'll be answering questions in the area where I'm not, well, in the recording segments where I'm not actually going to be keeping it in the video. I'm going to be cutting them out, so feel free to ask me stuff or just say hi. This is one of those segments, by the way. Okay. Oop, let's just do that. Perfect. Okay, so we've added a sort of vertical support here, so we have at least 2 things to attach our vertical bar to, and what we'll do is we'll just mirror this across the other side, so we have it on both sides. Just like that. All 3 plus. New. Okay. And then we'll mirror it. Hello.
Hello, good sir.
Yes. What?
What's happening?
Stuff.
Doing stuff?
Yes.
Cool. What are these keyboards for?
They're tiny things. They don't have the USB thing anymore.
Cool. Well, looks like you want to be left alone. We'll leave you alone.
Okay, thank you. Yay, other people. Okay, so we'll just mirror this across here. Okay, perfect. So now we're going to make some vertical bars that we're going to attach our lift to, and I think we'll make that in an episode because I'm tired. I shouldn't have started this today, but I did. Some stupid. Anyway, let's see. Not hardware. Okay. Oh god, I placed it. Okay, that's fine. So, do it. Actually, we will undo that mirror, so we can just mirror this vertical bar as well. So we don't have to do it later. So then this guy goes onto here. Perfect. No, just move it. Okay. And then not that face. Just delete. No. Just do here. Perfect. It's actually 5 people watching. Hooray! That's actually not going to work. Good job, me. Okay. We're going to have to place it in the center, or all the way over here. We're going to place it here because we actually need some room for a gear to move. Like that. And then like so. Perfect. And I actually might need a shorter bar than this, now that I think about it, so let's, yay, I just placed it, so let's delete it now. Fun. Okay. Alright, so we want actual, just a, not a really long thing, we just want a 25 long bar, like this. go. What was it that we wanted? I don't know. Clear selections. What's it that we want to do? Yeah, 25. Okay. So it's slightly different color for some reason. Not really sure why. But it is, so we'll just look with it. Okay, that's a good enough orientation. This goes to here. This side it goes to there. There we go. Oh my god. And this goes to here. And this goes to here. Perfect. Okay, so why is that different color? That's a good question. Material. Oh, because I actually applied material to that one. Got it. Okay. Okay, that's fine. So then on... Oh god, what did I do? So, let's see. Now we're going to want to have a thing that'll go on top of here for our 4-bar. So we'll insert some things. Where are they? Where did they go? Hardware, there we go, I guess. Running blocks. That's not what I wanted at all. I want this guy. Okay. And this goes to here. And it's gone. Okay. Ooh, what did I do? Okay. Let's actually make it go onto that face place. Either way. Okay. Now I have to find it. Okay, there it is. You go here. That. And this guy goes here. Hey, there's actually 6 people watching. Hello, people. I'm gonna be cutting out this bit anyways, so yeah. So feel free to say hi or do whatever. Why can't you copy that? Just copy it. What? Suck it. Okay. Oh god, what did I do? Okay. Is it? Hey! So, we shall put this onto this vertical bar as well. Thank you. If you watched my stream on making my plane, you would probably change your mind on that statement. I spent a good half-hour trying to do something that I didn't know how to do. Oh my god, it was so annoying. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we'll just put that there. You should take all your chances. They're actually circles through each holes. So what I did is that I took the normal files and then I added a little curve here on all of them, so I can actually mate to that because it's a curved face, and that actually translates to the center here, which I'll actually do right now. So this guy here, so no, the inside here, like that. So it's really easy to constrain everything. But yeah, yes, to answer your question, kind of. There are circles for each hole, but only like tiny portions of a circle on each face, which would actually skew results for stress testing, but I don't think we're going to be doing that really. Alright, so we have our vertical bar here, and then what we're going to do is make a second bar on the other side, so it isn't just supported by one side, our lid. So we're going to insert, let's see, how about from the structure? Yes, that will work. C channel, how long? Let's do 8, because it doesn't need to be that long. Okay, perfect. And that's all the way over there for some reason. I wanted it over here. Why you do that? Okay. And then what we'll do is just lag, apparently. That's what we're gonna do. And make this sort of in the same orientation as this guy over here. What am I looking at? Okay, there we go. Yes, that's good. So this is our thing we're going to have on the opposing side, which is actually going to be over here, and we're going to have our lift arms be in between. And we're going to copy those, and then paste them. And I have no idea where they went. They went there. Okay. We're actually going to have enough room for that, or is that too small? It is too small. Fantastic. Good job, me. But yeah, this is going to be cut out. I'm just going to show sort of updates whenever I get some stuff done. So we have a 15 long one. That'll probably work. There we go. And then this to this. Good. Other way. Perfect. So then what we'll do is we'll get these bearings and then place them on. Actually, I have to change the orientation so it's the right way. Hey, there's even more people watching now. Fantastic. So, yeah, I'm going to be answering questions and such, so if you want to do that, that's fine, because I'm going to be cutting out a lot of this. So yeah. Feel free to ask questions, any of those 8 people. Okay, and this guy goes into here. And this goes into here. One, two, three, four, five. We want it in that hole. And I already forgot where it was. Good job, me. There we go. Perfect. We actually might have to move that. I think it might actually be 6 holes away that it might be. Hello, how I CAD. The way you CAD is by learning how to CAD. Flawless logic. How am I moving my screen so smoothly? I have a 3D mouse. They are awesome. Let's see. It's this. So basically, if you move the knobs, like if you were to like move it, oh god, what did I do? So if you were to like move it like this, like tilt it back, it would actually spin it that way. Basically, if you imagine, if you move the knob, the thing that you're working on moves the same way. So for example, if I were to pull the knob up, it moves down, push it down, it moves up. Push it forward, it moves away. Pull it towards myself, it moves in, left and right. Turning it this way, turning it this way, like that, and such. There you go. That's how you move it really smoothly. Sadly, they cost quite a bit, but they are really helpful, and I love my 3D mouse. Yay. Okay, so we're going to have a thing in between the two things here. So we finished this. We have that. Okay. So we have to have some sort of thing to space them apart and keep them next to each other. So we're probably not going to do a vertical bar across because we're going to have the chain bar go all the way across and over and such. By the way, I'm just doing a 4-bar, not a double reverse 4-bar. So you might, just in case you didn't know. Which you probably didn't, because you didn't see something. can we actually make these together? I don't think we're actually going to use a gear to connect them together since we're not actually lifting very much weight at all, so I think we can just get away with having some standoffs in the center here. So let's get some standoffs. So in hardware, there we go. Standoffs and couplers. We want, what size standoff? Probably a 1.5 inch. Over here. And then what we'll do is we'll just mate this guy onto here. And then this guy to here. Actually, let's not do that yet, so that way we can actually still move around. Can you teach us how to do a gear mate properly with Vex? Yes, I can. That's not really what we're going to be doing yet. Right now I'm doing this. This is not your robot, but a separate robot. I'm actually going to be probably building something very much like what I'm doing in this CAD, to be honest, because reasons, but yeah. So I am going to probably build this. Possibly, not sure. So we're actually probably going to want 2 of these standoffs. So, copy it. I might build it. I'm not really sure. Okay. Just like that. And then 2 standoffs. We shall see, where is the distance between there? There it is. So here and here. And then we just need to string this face to here. Perfect. Yeah, so, and since we're not going to be having a gear on the top one either, we can, oh sorry, we're not going to be having a gear on the top one, we can have stuff there. Oh, that's actually going to be a problem. Let's actually load in an 84-tooth gear and see if, actually no, 60-tooth gear, and see if that's actually going to be too big. So, gear sprocket and chain, high strength gears, and then do 60-tooth, and its appearance is screwed up. Oh, it's not, okay. There we go, okay. Occasionally the mouse flips out, so it doesn't really want to move around properly. That's fine. So, let's see. Will we have enough space there? No, we will not. Okay, so we're going to have to move these standoffs up. So, these mates here. This have to go. Yes, delete them. Perfect. So then we'll move this out of the way. Don't want that face. This goes onto here. I'm not selected mate. Good job, me. Oh god, get out of the way. Alright. So now there should be enough space to put in 84-tooth gear. We might actually want to select it, please. There we go. Move this somewhere else because remember, if we try to move it all the way down, it's probably going to get in the way. So let's actually just only have one standoff there, and then have another standoff. Where will we put it? Where did it go? That's a better question. Alright, over here. So then we want to be 2 holes away. 2, and there. I can't select that. I need to move it. And that goes into there. Perfect. Okay. So, it's probably going to be good enough, maybe, for support, but for CAD, well, we can actually just have things floating in space, but if you're actually going to be building something, you might want to come up with some other solution that will make this more strong. So then what we're going to do is mirror this over to the other side by selecting it. No, we don't. Nope. Alright. And just make sure we don't select some of the stuff we don't want to. I think we did it. Okay. And then we'll just mirror this so we don't have to cat it again. And there we go. Okay. Just like so. And I think that's going to be it for today. I actually am really tired right now. I should probably get more sleep than I already have. So I'm going to call this it for now. I guess first episode over. Yeah. Bye.